Hello everyone, how are you? Look, all I can tell you is that teacher Kablan and I, we really miss you and it's very hard to be away from you these days. So that's why we decided to record this video. I just want to remind you what's the material you will need for this lesson. Today you will need your student's book, the notebook, the workbook, and also the iPad. On the iPad, you will use the Keynote and Kahoot. Please remember, if you have any doubt, send us a message through the chat, okay? See you. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, how are you? I miss you guys, I hope you guys are fine. I am fine over here. Well, I miss going to school a lot, I miss my routine, I miss having some time with you guys, doing some exercises with you. But today I'm gonna talk about our class, okay? So before we start, the material you guys are going to need: your student book, your workbook, your iPad, and your English notebook. Don't forget your pencil case because you guys are gonna need a pencil, an eraser, and probably some pens too. Guys, the topic about our class today is going to be on student book page 24. It is adverbs of frequency. We are going to ask questions with how often. For example, how often do you go to school by car? How often do you ride your bike? How often do you go to a restaurant? And then the answers can be: I always go to school by car. I never go to a restaurant. I sometimes do my homework. Questions like that, okay? And you guys are also going to use the student book page 24. So the class is simple. You just have to follow the step one by one. Teacher Camila and I, we have prepared everything for you. Everything's available on the LMS. You guys also have to do some exercises on the notebook, but the exercises in the notebook, but the exercises that you guys have to do are also available on the LMS, okay? If you have any questions, you guys can ask us. We're gonna be available for you. You can use either the chat or the forum. We're gonna be there, okay, guys? So I hope you guys have fun. See you.